get ready for some serious spring cleaning motivation. Hi, I'm Shelly. Please subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to ring the bell so you are notified of all of my future uploads, and comment down below your favorite cleaning product at the moment. Mine right now would have to be the Mrs. Meyer's Honeysuckle dish soap. It makes my house smell amazing. It keeps the garbage disposal smelling fresh. I totally recommend if you haven't tried the honeysuckle scent. You seriously will love it, but let's get into this cleaning motivation.
It's constantly no, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth. Oh, my heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echo
Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you go, please hit the subscribe button. I would also appreciate it if you gave this video a big thumbs up if this gave you some cleaning motivation. Let me know what you got cleaned while watching this. Also, there will be a 100 subscriber giveaway. We are currently at almost to 50 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I love this supportive community of women, and I just love making these videos, so thank you so much for helping support my dream. I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but you can also click the bell notification so you're notified of when I upload. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye guys.